Hello, my name is Anupa Subedi. I'm a student of Ravensbourne University, London. I'm here to share my EcoTrades project. I'm excited to share how I'm creating a sustainable fashion line that meets the highest environmental, social, and governance standards. EcoTrades is a line of recycled cotton garments designed to reduce environmental impact. In this video, I'll show you my project goals, processes, and sustainability effort using a digital project management tool called Lucidchart. My project objectives include launching eco-trades, minimizing environmental impact from start to finish, and ensuring I meet all the ESG standards at every step. My deliverables are high quality durable garments, a transparent and sustainable supply chain, and engage stakeholders who support sustainability. My sustainability goals are to reduce water and pesticides use, promote fair labor practices, and encourage recycling and upcycling of garments. I have broken down the project into the core processes such as raw material acquisition, production process, mm, product uses, end of life and circular economy, and strategic planning and governance. I used Lucidchart to visually map out these processes to ensure they are managed sustainably. Starting with raw material acquisition, I sourced recycled cotton from post-consumer textile waste. This reduces the demand for virgin cotton, which has significant environmental impacts such as excessive water use and heavy pesticides application. By using recycled cotton, I not only reduce this impact but also support fair labor practices and ethical recycling industries. This commitment to the ethical sourcing aligns with the core principle of ESG, ensuring that the materials used in eco-trades are both sustainable and responsibly sourced. In the production process, I focused on several key aspects to ensure sustainability. During the spinning and weaving operation, I monitor water and energy consumption, closely using renewable energy sources wherever possible. For product finishing and dyeing, I use eco-friendly non-toxic dyes and implement water recycling system to minimize waste. When it comes to cutting and stitching, I use energy efficient machinery and ensure that any waste fabric is collected for recycling. These efforts help to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emission, water use, and energy consumption, making the production process of eco-trades as sustainable as possible. Moving on to the product uses, the garments in the eco-trades line are designed to be durable and long-lasting. Reducing the needs for frequent replacements, I provide customers with care instruction that promote low-impact washing practices such as line drying and using cold water. These practices not only save the energy and water but also extend the life of the garments. Additionally, I encourage the use of environmentally friendly detergent to further reduce the environmental impact during the usage phase. At the end of life stage, I have implemented take back programs that encourage consumers to return worn out clothes for recycling. The returned garments are broken down into the fibers and repurposed into the new clothes items, significantly reducing landfill waste. By using the biodegradable materials, I also enable composting of, of completely degraded clothes, promoting a circular economy. This end of life strategy ensures that the eco-trades garments have a minimal environmental footprint even after they are no longer wearable. Strategic planning and governance are crucial to the success of eco-trades. I set clear sustainability goals and partner with suppliers who are committed to the principle of circular economy. By maintaining regular communication and transparent reporting, I ensure that all the stakeholders are kept informed and engaged. I also use a supplier assessment matrix to evaluate key suppliers on various criteria, including quality, cost, environmental practice, service delivery, governance, social responsibility, and innovation. This rigorous evaluation process ensures that all the suppliers align with my sustainability goals and contribute to the overall mission of the eco-trades. In addition, I maintain a detailed risks register to identify and assess potential risks. Each risk is evaluated based on its likelihood and impacts with a clear plan for mitigation. This helps me manage risks related to the supply chain production, quality, regularity, compliance, media coverage, production cost, environmental impacts, employee turnover, social compliance, and governance. By proactively addressing these risks, I can ensure that EcoTrades remains resilient and sustainable in the long term. One of the core process of my project is assessing the environmental impact of every stage from raw material acquisition to end of life disposal. During the acquisition stage, recycled cotton is sourced through post consumer textile waste. This is not only reduced the demand for virgin cotton but also minimize associated environmental effects such as water and pesticide uses. Supporting the ethical recycling industry and fair labor practices is also a priority at this stage. In the production phase, spinning and weaving operation are closely monitored for water and energy consumption. Renewable sources of energy are utilized wherever possible to further reduce environmental impacts. The finishing and dyeing processes employ ecologically sustainable and non-toxic dyes, and water recycling systems are implemented to reduce waste. By using efficient machinery and processes in the cutting and stitching phases, I minimize energy use and ensure that the waste fabric is collected for recycling. This comprehensive approach reduces greenhouse gas emissions, conserves water, and promotes the use of renewable energy sources. The use of phase of the product focuses on extending the lifespan of the garments and promoting low impact consumer habits. Durable design reduce the frequency of product replacement, and customer are provided with care instructions that encourage sustainable practices such as washing in cold water and line drying. The use of eco-friendly detergent is also encouraged to further minimize the environmental impact during the garment's life cycle. At the end of life stage, take back programs encourage consumers to return worn out garments for recycling. The collected garments are broken down into the fibers and reused to create new clothing items, significantly reducing landfill waste. The use of biodegradable materials allowed for composting, supporting a circular economy, and reducing the overall environmental footprint of EcoThreads garments. Strategic planning and governance are essential to achieving the sustainable goals of EcoTrades. Clear sustainability related to goals are defined and strategic suppliers partnerships are developed to ensure adhere to circular economy principles. Regular updates and transparent reporting keeps all stakeholders informed and engaged, ensuring all the accountability and ethical compliance through the project. Risk management is another critical aspect of the project. A detailed risk register identifies and assesses potential risks, evaluating each risk based on its likelihood and impact, and the planning appropriate responses. By addressing all the risks effectively, I can ensure that the long-term resilience and sustainability of ecotrades. By prioritizing ESG criteria, ecotrades can achieve its sustainability goals and strengthen its brand reputation. My aim is to My aim is to position EcoThreads as a leader in sustainable apparel by maintaining high standards and fostering long term partnerships with suppliers who share my commitment to sustainability. EcoThreads is more than just a fashion line, it's a step towards a sustainable future. Join me in making a positive impact on the environment and society. Together, we can make a difference, one garment at a time. Thank you for supporting EcoThreads. Thank you.